This is the ENSTO underground cable connector for medium voltage distribution networks. You might think that it's a simple piece of metal, but it's a state-of-the-art product of high-tech finish engineering that transmits electricity more smoothly and safely than ever before. In this video, we present the connector's journey from design to installation. To make product installation even easier and safer, we created a screw design with stepless shearing, one that always breaks in the right place, at the level of the connector surface. When it comes to product shape and functionality, our design team is obsessed with detail, all toward making the world a more electric place to live. During development, the connector underwent multiple rounds of testing to ensure it met international standard. When developing a new product, testing may take months or even years. Our production team played the lead role and worked closely with other departments in all phases to shape the product to its final form. Production strictly follows drawings and manufacturing standards to ensure the best quality of the designed product. Most steps in a cable connector's journey include a human hand, but the next phase is completed solely by robots. The robots work quickly and accurately, enabling smooth production when production volumes are high. It takes only an instant, and the cable connector is ready for shipment to its installation point. Stepless shearing makes underground cable installation fast and easy. The screws always shear at the right place, with no need for hammering or grinding. After the connector is installed, it will serve for decades underground. And there we have it. Our connector plays an important role in society as our infrastructure increasingly relies on electricity.